Hello and welcome. My name is Suzana. I'm a 3D artist, and in this class we are learning together how to create one simple animated tree and how to export that animation. Not only you will learn that, but also how to apply materials, how to create environment using sky texture, how to quickly set camera, how to render images, how to render animation, and how to do some other small settings you may find useful in this or your other future projects. For this class, previous experience in Blender or any other 3D software isn't needed. This is beginner level class, and I will explain everything. What you get after going through this class is experience in creating simple animations. You can use this for some nature scenes where you need to animate your trees to make that more realistic. And in this case, this simple tree can be used as something in the background where you see environment and trees are moving. For some closer trees, you would use some more realistic leaves. But in this case, this is perfect for something in the background. What more you can do with this is that you can create, let's say, situations where in your animation you need your tree to move for a certain portion, not just entire animation, like something is flying next and tree starts moving and then is again still. You can create a short animation of that tree and then tree further stays still. I will explain that in this class as well. So basically you will learn how to create animation and set number of looping frames to either get animated tree all the way through your animation or in just certain portion of your animation. That's a little intro about this class. Let's begin.